stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. First in the face, I hear the voice, so you don't know, say a Cogency. For the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have V9 with Change. Now, the last V9 song we listened to was Hole in One with Billy. And we don't know it's free Billy Billions right now, you understand? I should have react to that KO song, I think it named like Black, All Black or Black Doors or something like that. And DA need for drop a song cause DA are one of the sickest one them in the 98 and him not drop nothing. So, boy, I don't know, but the 98 them need to get back on the music thing. You see me, I just unknown thing and V9 and I drop really like that consistently. You understand? We need more. But oh yeah, and Jimmy too. Jimmy drop as well. So maybe they are dropping and it's just me not reacting to it. Alright, fuck it. My bad. But we're listening to V9 and we just listened to Unknown T a couple days ago. So we not waste no time. I could jump into it. Click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's go.
Silas.
One thing I'm gonna say again, bro, the 98s, bro, their videos are top quality, top class, top shelf. You understand? Like them man, their video are like the Ace of Spade, or the Don Julio, or the 1942, or they're just the same thing. I'm not sure. I don't know about liquor, bro, so you can't talk to me, bro. Don't. Is it? But you understand the Hennessy or the Moet or you understand the top shelf fucking videos, bro. Movie shit, man. Look. Movie shit.
Twitter, cutter. Yeah. I Tifo made this one.
Watch him gun there. This beat sounds sick.
Grip the heat, make man freeze when I let that breathe. Watch the handy teeth like a baby. Pre-mouth samurai sword move crazy. Baby, listen, I'm crazy. Saddle joker, I'm lazy. Love waps.
Sorry, now that chain is just bligging, blood. Yeah, I didn't want to see what it said originally. What it say? Does it show? Some Japanese shit. Bro, this nigga loves some Japanese shit in a man. Even listen to this. I'm thinking about it. This sound like Hispanic mixed with some Japanese melody.
Grip the heat, make man freeze when I let that breathe. Watch the handy teeth like a baby. Pre-mouth samurai sword move crazy. Baby, listen, I'm crazy. Saddle joker, I'm lazy. Love waps and waps, don't lack. Still do it in dash if I got match. Hold a slash, like Link. I'm with mad, get anyone down, take out a whole crowd. Who's that nigga? Grr, bow, young boy.
Oh, that white thing looks sexy.
Link, I'm with mad, get anyone down, take out a whole crowd.
White thing, sweet one. Oh God. I'm so sorry, bro. You know, I need to stop, you know. I think I have a sweet ones addiction, bro. I think I'm addicted to the sweet ones, bro. Like, every time I see a sweet one, I need to pause. I ain't gonna pause no more. Let me not promise, but I'll try not to pause anymore.
Match,
even she's a sweet one.
I'm with mad, get anyone down, take out a whole crowd. Who's that nigga? Grr, bow, young boy, get him, chicken down. Get him now, right now, leave him like the river now. Get in the ride, let's do some miles. That be what's fame. Oh,
Wait. Do I recognize that guy?
whole crowd. Who's that nigga? Grr, bow, young boy, get him, chicken down. Get him now, right now. Leave him like the river now. Getting the right, let's do some miles. That B wants fame, I wanna gauge. She wants dates, is she crave? Bitch move at my face, I'm double S, I can't change. See ops, go insane. Hold on, come back, go this way. Drill it and bake off for bay. Life couldn't wait 'em up like rain. Bad B wants fame, I wanna gauge. She wants dates, is she crave? Bitch move at my face, I'm double S, I can't change. See ops, go insane. Hold on, come back, go this way. Drill it and bake off for bay. Life couldn't wait 'em up like rain. Right or wrong, I got no confusion.
Now, why I know T looks like with the gun, dog? But looks like with a big long rifle like him, brother. Nah, the man serious now. The man them love it, dog.
And bake off for bay. Life couldn't wait 'em up like rain. Right or wrong, I got no confusion. Flick shank, I'm known like a ruler. I might do ya, 2 hands in the air, hallelujah. I don't chat on computers, I pull up tryna do my rain. Right or wrong, I got no confusion. Flick shank, I'm known like a ruler. I might do ya, 2 hands in the air, hallelujah. I don't chat on computers, I pull up tryna do my ruthless. They must be stupid, beef in the 98 crew left them ruined. Cause hella confusion, was it us or them losers? Bought anyone venomous in the chooser, bike has spit.
Was it us or them losers? I remember saying they threw up L's, you know. If he meant that on purpose, that's nice still.
Cause hella confusion, was it us or them losers? Bought anyone venomous in the chooser, bike has spits into like diffusion. 2 up suction to do, man gruesome, my venomous bubble beat catch was snoozing. He's oozing, cause that shit went bow. That B wants fame, I wanna gauge. She wants dates, is she crave? Bitch move at my face, I'm double S, I can't change. See ops, go insane. Hold on, come back, go this way. Drill it and bake off for bay. Life couldn't wait 'em up like rain. That B wants fame, I wanna gauge. She wants dates, is she crave? Bitch move at.
The reason why I paused on that guy, cause I was wondering, the guy on the right, cause I was wondering if I saw him in a Sidemen video before. Cause the Sidemen did the Guess the Criminal video. I'm trying to remember if he was one of the guys in the video. And it looked like the guy from Despicable Me. And this guy kinda looked like him, so I was wondering. But I'm not sure.
Like rain, that B wants fame, I wanna gauge. She wants dates, is she crave? Bitch move at my face, I'm double S, I can't change. See ops, go insane. Hold on, come back, go this way. Drill it and bake off for bay. Life couldn't wait 'em up like rain.
Silas.
Sweater, cut off. Yeah. I Tifo made this one.
To V9, dog. I should have got all that smoke. Rotted. Yeah. Sorry, I just like see when the gun them start fire. You see, you know, I don't have the gun thing already. Badness to be continued. Oh, it's supposed to be continued. You know, just kill off 3 man. What you gonna do? Merc with a month coming soon. Alright, Merc with a month. Big up that. And if you never watched my hole-in-one reaction, go watch that. You understand? Because that did sick. And this sick too. V9 with change. Yeah, the beat sick. V9 always have some sick beat or some sick video, dog. It's just that, I'm not gonna lie, V9 isn't the best lyrically or flow-wise. That's why even in the plugged in, some about that now, some about that down, but about that, like, bro, that caught me so off guard, because I don't expect that from V9 at all, you understand? But he did it. So, you understand, he's not the best lyrically or flow-wise, but he's consistent, and him always have the best beats and the best videos. So you have to big up V9. So for this, as a whole, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Or 8.5. You understand? I mean, maybe the 9 for the video and the beat. And he have some good bars in there as well. So let me not even cap and make it sound like, oh, his shit wasn't good. Like, he was flowing. And he have bars in there as well. So 9 out of 10. Tell me what you think. I feel like I gave everything at least a 9 out of 10 today. But some I feel today, I feel good. You understand? So tell me what you think. Comment where you're reaching if you made it to this point in the video. Tell me what you want me to react to next. Cogency and the Cogency Reacts channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. I love you, yeah, yeah, yeah.